MVP Studio and the Industry Connect journey was not that difficult for me because I come from the IT background. So it was really easy for me to understand the things. But I would say you can learn the skill set and everything from a university also. But MVP Studio or Industry Connect, what they gave me is the real world experience. Like when we used to have the team V sessions and the employability sessions or the life skill session, I got to know that how we have to interact while working in an environment. Or I was really shy talking to people or giving presentations. While being in the Team V session, I overcome this part of mine or this weakness of mine. I started giving presentation, being a chairperson and all. So it really motivates me. And I remember when Yanta or Reshma used to like pick anyone and you have to talk at that point of time and you cannot just turn off your camera or say that no, I am shy. They used to encourage you so much. So that's what happened with me, that wherever place I gave the interview, I was able to crack it. And I can say it's all because of this, the classes I attended, and it really helped me a lot to grow. And over here in New Zealand, what I feel that communication is really important, the way you interact with people, because they say that a skill can be taught to you, but the way your behavior is or your communication is, they cannot teach you that. And Industry Connect and the MVP Studio classes and everywhere, they taught me these things, which helped me a lot in my interviews, and that is how I was successful and I got like 2 to 3 opportunities. So it was really a good going for me, and I will really appreciate MVP Studio for this anytime. Definitely, because it's not a rocket science and good thing happens with like time. So I would say that if I can get it, anyone else can get it. So I would highly recommend Industry Connect and MVP Studio, because if you will join in over here, you won't be learning just the skills, you will having the real world experience. And I think out of that you can crack any interview anywhere you want, and you can excel in your career and your life. So I would highly say that yes, I will recommend Industry Connect and MVP Studio for sure. I would say for me that what I have learned in this time period is that like Industry Connect and the MVP Studio is really flexible, so you don't have to worry. If you are working also, you can join MVP Studio and you can do the internship, and the flexibility is so much that if you don't like complete the task, you know, when people are stressed, they don't want to like study further or push themselves hard. But MVP Studio doesn't like make you feel stressed. You can talk to people around you, can talk to your mentor, say that I would be taking a bit of time to complete the task, and they will give you that liberty that you can do it. And there is every time someone like you, Justine, for me, you were like always there. So I would say that people are there to help you out. And the classes, I would recommend that yes, there is a flexibility that you can see the recordings, but attending the classes are really different story, that you can interact, you can know the people, you can talk a lot. So I would highly recommend joining the classes and attending those classes, which helped me a lot. And I would say that gaining the knowledge, the way you guys are making everyone learn, and we are having tasks over there, so we are having a real experience working on some projects and all, which we can talk in our interviews. So it's really working, it's really important that we complete our projects or our tasks given to us, and attend the classes which are designated to us. And yes, we can succeed, no problem at all.